Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have a Boxycharm box. Don't know which one this is, or do I? It's either premium or luxe. I did go ahead and cancel one of my Ipsy Glam bags for December and one of the base boxes for December. Getting a complete box of dupes last month turned me off on getting 2 base boxes, so I will not be getting a base box this month because it's Luxe month. So this is premium. Okay, so it says premium right there. Boxycharm Premium is $39.99 plus $1.99 shipping and handling. This is a monthly beauty box. There are 6 items. We get to customize 2 out of the 6 items each and every month. And like I said, they have base and luxe. When it's Luxe month, you don't get your base. That's just how it works. I have my phone, so I know what the products are. So, oops. And then we can do value. And the card for December 2022 is "Tis the season for being extra." And then you do get pricing and description. And I have box 2212. 201 is my variation for premium. And let's just, I'll do the first product that I think I chose, and this is from Grown Alchemist. This is anti-pollution primer right here. I've had this before. I do like it. And this is what it looks like. It's always like the opposite. Like I want to put it this way, but it's this way right there. And this is $42. You know, it's a lightweight hydrating gel primer. I do like a gel primer. $42, that can be a bit much. That was one of the items I chose. This here is from Complex Culture, and this says All Eyes Brush Trio. Let's open this up, and let's find that on here. $40. Where are you, brushes? 1. Oops, here they come. 2. All right, come on. They're in there pretty good. So these are the 3 brushes. Complex Culture has some nice brushes. I like the covers on them. I'm going to just pop the covers off. I'll probably keep these. These are some nice shadow brushes right here. Here's a little fluffy brush. And then here is a blending brush. So nice, you know, gray handles. These are super lightweight, but they're easy to work with. I do like their brushes, so we'll just leave that right there. What did I say the price was? $40. That's a little bit much for 3 brushes. I would at least expect for $40, you know, a 5 brush set, but you know, you got to do what you got to do there. The next item I see is from Ciate London. This is Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. This is very nice. $22. This has, if I do remember right, an ultra, I can never get these things open, like a really ultra fine mist, so you're not getting, you know, doused with setting spray after you do your makeup. And here is the container, and I'll just spray it this way. That smells good. Lid that went flying. Okay. That smells really good. I do like this and have had it in the past, so I'm not unhappy with that. Next here, oh, cold. I don't know who this is from. Beauty for Certain. Oops, I guess I should show you the package. Beauty for Certain Perfect Collab. $38. This is a new launch. What are you? Your Perfect Collab is here in an expertly matched pencil eyeliner set. Creamy Easy Glide on liners. Okay, so let's open you up. Oh, there's shades. I don't know. We'll find out. And so here's the 2 liners right here. And I would assume they're the shades. We have a black and a copper maybe, or something like that. Trying to get lids off sometimes. Yeah, so you can see that I probably won't swatch these. I might share these just because. Let's just verify. I'm telling you, caps and me, especially the first time, off. I can't get this one off. Cannot get it off. This is black. Wow. I can't get that off. $38. It's a little bit pricey. The next thing I see in here is, oh my goodness, everything's dropping, is from Make. And this is Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment, $26. Okay. I don't know if that's an indicator of the shade. It does say 2153 on one end, so let's, I don't know if that helps. Let's just see what you look like. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you, everything is hitting the floor today. So this is the packaging, and you can, I don't know if you can see in there. It doesn't actually, on the bottom maybe. Pink, oof, pink something. I cannot read that. Let's just see. Oh, that is pink. I will give that a little. That's not bad. I mean, I don't mind pink. So there it is right there. Not bad at all. Not mad. Kind of cute. What did I say the price was? $26. Eh. And then the item that I chose, the second item, is from Tresluce Beauty Midnight Deseos. I'm not sure how you say that right there. Obviously an eyeshadow palette, $35. Let's see what you look like. Let's take it out of the box. Pretty palette. Look at that. Pretty palette. Nice. Let's see what you look like. Well, that's not a nice palette. It does have a protective shield. That's a really nice palette. I like. I might be keeping that one for myself. That's really pretty. Oh, there goes a tear down my eye. Or down my face. I hate that after you put makeup on. That's a pretty palette. The pans are small. 18 pans. It's really nice though. That one might be staying with me. It has a nice mirror. So let me just see. Did I just mess up this whole face by smudging that? Smudging that. Okay. Not too bad. Okay. Not bad at all. I like. I'll save that for a swatching Sunday for sure. That's really pretty. So that's everything in there. So the Tresluce and the Grown Alchemist are the items that I chose. Let's just do a value here real fast. $35 for the palette, $42 for the primer, $40 for the brushes, $26 for the lip treatment, $22 for the setting spray, and $38 for the liners. My box value is $203 for like $42 or $43 after they tax it, something like that. So that's not bad at all. I like everything in here. The liners I could do without, but that's just me personally. I don't wear black. I would say never. I do have a few black in case I change my mind. And I have like that color, like coppery bronze color that's right there. I do have other ones similar, so I'm not going to keep those, and just to keep them. To me, let somebody else enjoy them. So it's really not a bad premium at all. I mean, we have a palette, some brushes, setting spray, a primer, which is good, a nice little lip balm, which I like. The liners, which are nice. I'm not going to knock the liners. The brushes, I don't mind Complex Culture brushes. I think it's a little expensive for just a couple brushes, but, you know, I don't price this stuff. So let me know what you thought of my premium. Like I said, not bad. It's not the worst. It's not the best. fall somewhere in between. But I'm happy with my box. 'Tis the season for being extra. I almost forgot. I wanted to quick add this in. I got another Christmas card from one of you, and this is from Susan W. Susan's Just Making It is her YouTube channel. Thank you so much. She wrote a nice little note in there. I greatly appreciate it. I do save all these. I don't get rid of them. I'll put this behind me for a video or two. I wind up just putting them away because me and clutter, like I had so much out on this table from other boxes that I filmed, and I had to put everything away last night. I could not just leave it sit there. I'm one that it has to go away like pretty soon after it hits there. I'm not one for super duper clutter, just having stuff sit there. So, but I wanted to thank you for the card, Susan. Thank you so much. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? And do you get premium? I would love to know. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see all of you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye for now.